I just want a different person for my birthday. I just want to try something different, be spontaneous. Something I never did before. I never had a one night stand.
So what you trying to do? You want to get knocked the fuck out? That's what you want to do?
Hey everybody, you don't know, I'm your girl Whitney, and from You See Me By Myself, y'all know what time it is. Prank time, okay? So, you guys know my birthday coming up pretty soon, and Jessie has been asking me what I want for my birthday, but I haven't told him yet. So I decided that I'm going to use this opportunity to make it into a prank. Yes, prank season. So guys, pretty much what I'm gonna do is when he comes home from work, I'm gonna tell him that I know what I want for my birthday, and the thing that I want for my birthday is another man. Now, what man wants to hear that from their wife? Y'all already know how it's about to go down, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment down below. Tell me what you think about this video, guys, and please don't forget to watch the commercials for us, because that's how we get paid, okay? Once he gets here, I'm gonna turn the camera back on and we gonna get straight into the prank. All right. He coming, y'all. He just pulled up. He just pulled up, y'all. He just pulled up. Hey, baby. I got something I want to talk to you about real quick.
Wife, look at you.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. What up, though?
So, I got something I want to talk to you about.
What's that?
So, you know how you keep asking me what I want for my birthday?
Mm-hmm.
I thought about it, and I need you to have an open mind.
Okay. What is it?
And don't get mad when I ask you. It's just something I want to try. I never done it before. Have you had a one-night stand before?
I had a one night stand for.
Yeah, like just randomly sleep with somebody.
What they got to do with you?
Cause I want to try it for my birthday.
You know the one night stand is, right?
Mm-hmm. You sleep with somebody for one night.
So you saying you want to? We can't do one night stand.
Why not?
Because we already...
I just want a different person for my birthday. I just want to try something different. Be spontaneous. Something I never did before. I never had a one night stand.
So what you trying to do? You want to get knocked the fuck out? That's what you want to do?
So why you gotta do all that though? I thought you would be open-minded.
Since when What? Since when you open-minded to stuff like that in the first place?
I don't know. I just thought about it. Like, maybe I want to try it. You only got one life to live, so.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
I kind of want to try it.
Okay.
You can help me pick the person out.
Okay, man.
Babe, I'm being so serious right now. Like, I really want to try it. Come here. I'm being serious. I'm trying to talk to you. You know, I could have just went out and did it.
Yeah, okay.
But you my husband, so I want to talk to you about it.
For that. That's stupid.
What's so stupid about that?
Dumb.
People do that all the time.
One night stand, really?
People be swinging.
So you want to swing? So you want to go out and have sex with somebody
Just
else?
one night. It's just my birthday. Dang. You acting like it's forever and ever, every day.
Now, if I came to you like that, asking you for me to have sex with somebody else.
But you didn't ask, though.
How would you feel about that?
But you didn't ask, though.
How would you feel about that?
So I don't know. You didn't ask.
How would you feel about that?
You didn't ask.
How would you feel about that?
Okay.
That's stupid. That's
Why
dumb.
are you trying to make this into an argument?
Do you want to be single? Is that what you want to do?
I don't want to be single. I just want to have a one-night
You
stand.
don't have a fucking one-night stand? That's dumb.
What you cussing at me for?
Because that's stupid. You should slap yourself for that.
That's not
stupid.
That's not stupid. It's just being spontaneous. People do it all the time.
Spontaneous.
And I'm asking your permission. Like, I could have did it without you.
Spontaneous, man.
I want you to help me pick the person out. You can even watch. You can watch. Maybe you'll like it. You don't know. Babe, you really, like, gonna be like that towards me right now? I thought you would be open-minded.
Right.
I just want to try it, babe. Like, I've never done anything like that before. And I thought, why not? I'm getting older, you know. I don't have that many years left on the earth, so why not try it?
So you want to be single?
I don't want to be single.
That's what your ass gonna be if you want to do some stupid shit like that.
Why I gotta be stupid?
Cause that's dumb.
It would have been stupid if I did it and didn't tell
and if
you.
I would have asked you for something like that, you would have had.
Why is this about me though? You didn't ask me. I'm asking you.
That's stupid. No, that's dumb.
You just, why not? I just told you you can watch. That don't make you feel better that you can watch and see everything that's going on?
You got me fucked up.
You can help me pick the person too. Like,
and you gonna get your ass whooped, and whoever you talking about get their ass whooped. Who you got in mind?
I don't got nobody in mind. And why I gotta get my ass whooped?
You trying to fuck somebody else?
I'm not trying to fuck nobody else. I'm trying to...
I'm gonna tell you like this. If you're not satisfied with me...
Babe.
If you're not satisfied with what you got...
Who said I wasn't satisfied though?
You're obviously not.
I have you every day, all day. I just want to try something different. Dang, you just making this a whole argument for no reason. Like, I just want to try something different, something new.
Okay.
I have you all the time.
You don't have a singles person mindset.
That's not a singles person mindset. If I asked you.
You don't have a singles person mindset. Your ass needs to be single. That's it.
Well, I'm not single. I'm married. And I thought my husband would be supportive of what I want to do for my birthday.
You got your husband fucked up. That's what you got. That's stupid. That bullshit.
I don't know why you cussing at me. Like,
that's dumb.
I didn't have to come to you with this. I could have just did it. Like,
okay, and see what would have happened.
And what would have happened? Nothing.
Yeah, you fucked up.
Nothing would have happened.
I said a long day.
You tripping for no reason.
A long day at work, and you want to come with me with this bullshit.
I can't even have a conversation with you. A grown conversation.
That's
we grown
stupid.
folks.
That's dumb as hell.
It's dumb to you.
What made you think about that?
I just wanted to do something I never did before, and that's something I never did before. I don't know what you mad for. Like, I told you.
Shut your ass up. That's stupid.
You fine. You don't have to pick them out. I'll pick them out, but you can still watch them.
Alright, watch what happens.
And what's gonna happen?
Just watch what happens.
I told you about it before. I'm about to do it. So I don't know what you mad about.
I mean, watching your ass on the news.
You what?
Fucked up. What they gonna watch?
Ain't nobody finna watch me on no news. You got me messed up. I kind of had somebody in mind though.
Who you got in mind?
I don't even know if I want to tell you because you acting stupid right now for no reason. Like you can't just be grown.
Obviously you're not happy, and obviously you want to fuck somebody else. Who is it? So
I want to do it with somebody we know, somebody that we comfortable with.
Oh.
I don't want to tell you because I feel like.
Tell me. Go ahead. Say it. Say what you gotta say.
You probably should not gonna get mad.
Go ahead. Tell me. I'd rather know what's on your mind than you beating around the bush. You'd be on the same page.
You really mad about this?
If you're not happy,
I didn't say I wasn't happy.
That's good for me to know. Cause I don't
but it's gonna make me happier to do something I never did.
I don't want to be running around thinking your ass is happy when you're not. That's it.
I am happy.
You're obviously not.
Babe, I'm
happy. Who you
happy.
got in mind?
I don't even want to tell you no more because look how you acting now. And I ain't even told you who it was yet.
Who you got in mind?
Don't even worry about it. Just know that you can watch. Like, I feel like that would be a good situation. Like, you there, you seeing everything that's going on. Make sure you're using protection and everything. Like, what you got a problem with that for? I don't see what your problem is.
Snatch the damn one you got for your head. Fuck on me.
Babe.
That's stupid.
It's not stupid.
Like watching you have sex with somebody else.
What's wrong with that? People do it all the time.
Alright. You playing on me right now.
People do it all the time,
That's
Jessie.
ignorant. You playing on me right now. Who you got in mind? Go ahead, tell me. Tell me who you got in mind. Go ahead.
If I tell you, you're going to get mad.
Tell me who you got in mind. That's it. Who you got in mind?
So, I've been thinking that I want to do it with you because it's a prank. Babe, it's a prank. Dang. I can't play with you?
No, nigga. You got somebody in mind.
I don't. I was just playing.
Yeah, okay.
Ugh.
Play my ass.
I was playing, babe. Come here. Look. I was playing. Come here.
No.
Look. Fine.
The camera ain't even on.
It is on. Look.
Why the light not on?
Cause I covered it up. You salty as heck.
Well, the light not flashing.
It is flashing. The green light right there, but I had to cover it up so you wouldn't see it. You salty.
No, that ain't no joke. I feel like you was for real with that.
I was not.
Yes, you was.
It's a prank. I got the whole video to prove. I got my intro and everything. What you, boy? Bye. Got him.
Well, that wasn't no joke, yo.
It was a joke. Everybody already know.
Alright.
You got pranked. Say Team Whitney.
That is.
I got him, y'all. Got him. You really thought that I wanted somebody else, though? You know you my baby. He mad, y'all. He don't even want to kiss me. He don't want to hug me, nothing. It's cool. Say Team Whitney and sign out.
I ain't messed up.
Go ahead. Say Team Whitney and sign out.
Team my ass.
He's salty, y'all. But your girl got him. Alright, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and blow up the comment section if you think I got him. Until next time.